Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Minimalism is all about living with less to make room for more meaningful experiences. This video will guide you through practical steps to embrace minimalism, helping you declutter your life and focus on what truly matters. But before, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as we want to help you and others on their financial and minimalism journey. Starting small is key to avoiding overwhelm. Begin with a single drawer or a small area. Gradually, the sense of accomplishment will motivate you to tackle larger spaces, making the process manageable and less daunting. Organizing by categories rather than locations can bring clarity. Focus on decluttering all your clothes first, then move on to books, kitchen items, and so on. This method ensures a more thorough and systematic approach. The one-in, one-out rule helps maintain a clutter-free environment. Whenever you acquire something new, let go of an existing item. This habit prevents accumulation and encourages mindful consumption, keeping your space consistently minimal. Digital clutter is as significant as physical clutter. Regularly clean out your emails, unsubscribe from unnecessary newsletters, and delete unused apps. A tidy digital environment contributes to overall mental clarity and efficiency in daily tasks. Being mindful and intentional with your purchases is crucial in maintaining a minimalist lifestyle. Before buying, ask yourself if the item adds value to your life. This practice helps prevent impulsive buying and ensures you only bring meaningful items into your home. A capsule wardrobe simplifies your daily routine and reduces decision fatigue. By curating a small collection of versatile, high-quality pieces, you ensure that every item can be mixed and matched. This approach streamlines your wardrobe and enhances your personal style. Owning multi-purpose items maximizes space and utility. Choose items that serve more than one function, like a sofa bed or a multi-cooker. This not only reduces clutter but also ensures that every item in your home is highly functional. Creating a regular decluttering schedule helps maintain a minimalist environment. Set aside time weekly or monthly to evaluate your possessions. Consistent decluttering prevents accumulation and keeps your space organized, making it easier to focus on what truly matters. Letting go of sentimental items can be challenging but necessary. Keep only those that hold significant meaning and memories. For others, consider taking photos before parting with them. This way, you preserve the memory without the physical clutter. Minimalism often faces misconceptions, such as it being about living with nothing or being cold and impersonal. In reality, minimalism focuses on keeping what truly adds value to your life, removing excess, and creating a more meaningful, intentional living space. The benefits of minimalism are vast, including reduced stress, improved focus, and financial savings. By owning fewer items, you spend less time maintaining them, allowing more time for experiences and connections that bring genuine joy and fulfillment. Visual transformations are powerful. Showing before and after images of decluttered spaces can inspire and motivate viewers to embark on their own minimalist journeys. These visuals highlight the tangible benefits of minimalism, making the concept more accessible and appealing. For those eager to delve deeper into minimalism, there are numerous recommended resources. Books like The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo and Goodbye Things by Fumio Sasaki offer invaluable insights. Blogs and online communities also provide ongoing inspiration and support. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll explore more aspects of minimalism, from minimalist travel tips to creating a minimalist workspace. We aim to provide continuous inspiration and practical advice for your minimalist journey. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who might benefit from a minimalist lifestyle. Your support helps us create more content that inspires and guides you on your journey. Remember, minimalism is a personal journey and every small step counts. Recap the tips we discussed today and start implementing them. Stay encouraged and patient with yourself as you simplify your life and embrace minimalism. See you in 2 days for our next video.